loves, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya. For today's video, I had mentioned to you that I was going to be sharing my ring collection, so that's exactly what this video is going to be about. But I thought I would do different from my past videos where I had gone through all of my collections and talked about each one. Since my ring collection is huge, and if I were to go through all of my ring collection, it would be like the never-ending video. So what I thought I would do is just share some of my favorite ones, my go-tos, the ones that I love the most. Rather than talk, I'm just gonna show you guys, and then I'm gonna write where I got them. So I hope that's okay. I think it's gonna make the video a little bit less of just me talking. Another thing that I thought I would add into this video, I thought I would do a little DIY. Since it's all about jewelry, I thought I would do a little jewelry holder stand so you can put your necklaces, your arm cuffs, and your rings. I hope you love it as much as I do. But before we get into this whole video, I also wanted to share a company that I recently got these beautiful wrap bracelets. And the company name is Modern Day Manifestations. When I got them, I immediately fell in love with them. First of all, it was so hard to choose a favorite on their site. I wanted them all. I narrowed it down to 3 and I could not be happier. They are beautiful. The quality is beautiful. They're handcrafted and made with beautiful healing stones that are ethnically mined, which is a plus. It just helps emit positive energies, which is so good. We all need a little bit of uplift and just more positive and love in our life. So here are just a few of their healing abilities. You have unconditional love and positivity, abundance and prosperity, healing from past traumas, mood enhancement and mental stability, clarity, calmness, connection with your spiritual realm. It just clears all your negative auras. The fact that they're wrap bracelets and that you wear them and that they're close to your body just helps raise your vibration. It's closer to you and it's just more connected to you. I mean, these bracelets are stunning, guys. Not only are they visually beautiful, but that they help with just your energies and your balancing and everything. Everyone should be wearing one. The fact that they're wrap bracelets makes it that it looks like as if you have a whole bunch of stacked bracelets. You guys know I love my more is more, so I just stack on and it looks like you have like a million bracelets, but in fact I just have 2 on this arm and 1 on this arm. You're kind of getting several bracelets for the price of one, which to me is definitely worth it. They are super sweet, are offering a 15% discount code, so I will leave all that information down below. If you're interested, go check them out. You won't be sorry. I mean, I had such a hard time choosing my favorite ones. So anyway, just a little heads up. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into this video. But I also wanted to mention that I am going to be announcing the winner and I am super excited. I'm going to be announcing it in the middle of the video, so stay tuned for that. Without further ado, we're going to jump right into it. Enjoy. on to the winner part. I was trying to figure out how can I make it fair and just that everyone gets that same opportunity and that I don't go through the list of people that wrote comments and just choose it. I thought I would leave it up to the universe. So what I did is I wrote everybody's name who wanted to participate into this basket. So I'm going to choose a name and that will be the winner. I think that's just fair. Yeah, I'm leaving it up to the universe to decide who really needs it and who deserves to win. So anyway, so let's get right into it. I'm gonna shake it all up. It took me forever to write the names. I'm just letting you guys know. Oh my gosh. But it's so well worth it. If I'm gonna make someone happy, to me, that's so important. So I'm gonna mix it to make sure. And then I'm going to show you guys that I'm gonna pick the winner. So this is the winner. It is Susan Dotson. I'm not sure if it's picking up. So Susan Dotson, congratulations. You are the winner of the $150 gift card from Bedsure. I'll leave a message down below and I'm going to ask for all your information. So anyway, stay tuned. So anyway, congratulations and thank you to everyone who participated. So we're gonna go on with the video. that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Let me know which piece was your favorite or what you guys would want to see next. You know I love to hear your feedback, your comments. They mean the world to me. Thank you all so much for watching, for your love, your support, your thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. I love you. Mwah. Bye.